Hi everyone, it's Tracy. Right now you're looking at a slot machine that I couldn't tear myself away from when we went to a casino in Syracuse in New York. It was so much more amazing with the Game of Thrones theme music playing, but I didn't want to get into copyright issues and everything, you understand. I'm just going to show this in the intro, and if you want to see the rest of it, I'm going to put it at the very end. Today's video is going to be a shout out video mostly for my subscribers who are not so into makeup and beauty. When I started this idea, I thought there would be just a handful of people, but there are quite a few, so please forgive me. I'm really going to have to just zip through these very quickly. The first channel that I want to talk about is called Ben and Kara is my daughter. She and Ben have this great travel channel. Soon they'll be going to Taiwan, but it's not just about travel. It's about all kind of stuff they'll be throwing at you, food, and they're funny. See their last video and you'll see what I'm talking about. Next is my friend Angie Hewitt, contemporary artist. She's a true artist. It's in her bloodstream. She's just so talented. Next is Artsy Cupcake. She has great recipes, decor. She's very crafty. It's just non-stop. And here is Bag Hound. Luggage, purses, bags, whatever you want. All kinds of brands. She knows it all. She shows it all to you. She gets me pretty jealous. Next is Edward Smart. I'd categorize it as a travel channel, but with all kinds of surprises coming at you with fireworks, airplanes. Amazing. Next is Erica Terry DIY. If you have little kids, she's got all the tricks. She does hauls, super creative. You know, she's really good at suggesting gifts. It's just, I can't even say everything she does. She's super crafty and she's very talented. Amazing. I would say the overall theme for Felicia Crow's channel is she's super healthy and she just wants you to gain a sense of well-being. She'll help you to know what to expect in your pregnancy if you're pregnant, and she does recipes, healthy eating. She's just good for the soul. Healthy Vegan Living, I think he's the most motivated, healthy person I have ever seen in my life. The other day I said to him, I don't know how you do it. I just want to eat a Pop-Tart for dinner. And he said to me, don't you eat that Pop-Tart for dinner. It's full of chemicals and preservatives. He's very nice. He's very supportive. He and his wife watch all of my videos. Check him out. Awesome guy. Loretta makes no secret of the fact that she runs her whole channel just with a phone. She doesn't even own a computer. And I admire her so much. She's so imaginative. She creates these worlds out of Barbies that are so detailed and just interesting, and I think a lot of kids love to watch her channel. I do. Salvatore Vinciguerra, he is an educator. He likes to share the projects that he does with young people. They're so well behaved and organized. He takes you on trips to different places, museums, all kind of educational, interesting things. A super nice guy. You have to check him out. Next, The Life of Nina. Unpretentious, down to earth, but never dull. She recently, well, you know what? I'm going to let you see. I'll let you check her out. Just please check her out. She's such a nice lady. Amazing, just adorable. You'll love her. I think I'm going to start by saying for the single mom, her kids are so funny and so cute. A lot of Disney stuff, a lot of, fun games, recipes, a whole bunch of stuff going on. You'll love this channel. Two girls, one mukbang. What can I say? It's all about food, but it's not all about food. You want intelligent conversation? These ladies are so with it, and so, and more time goes on, the more they're loosening up and the more you're getting to know them. Very interesting, and they're good at listening to you too. Do check them out. You will love them. This young lady is 12 years old and she's just so industrious and creative. Travel, vlogs, she'll take you out for a walk. It's just even interesting. She collects Pusheen, she collects anything that's trendy in the teenage kid toy world. She's a sweetheart, super supportive. Please check out her channel. She really deserves it. Almost on a daily, this channel gives me anxiety because one day this girl is going to win big and she's either just going to disappear or we're going to see her win. Maria and Nabal, one of my favorite channels. Such a sweet couple. They do travel videos and they won my heart when they did their vlog of Montreal, Old Montreal, Chinatown, and the mountain, because that's where I'm from. And I've just been watching them ever since. Lots of food too. My friend Laura Lee likes to show you a lot of really interesting things in decor, and she's not afraid to get serious and talk about her cancer. Very interesting lady. I really like her. This is Francis. He's a go-getter. I wish I had a fraction of his motivation. Always interesting, always up to something, and I even got my son watching him. And last but certainly not least, technology, billiards, sports, you name it, he has it all. And that's it for today. Well, we're looking at my daughter's channel again, but I really do hope that you'll go over, check her out, and subscribe. But I want to say thank you to all the channels that I've mentioned in this video. You guys are my biggest supporters. You know what? I'm not going to carry on. I'm just going to say thank you so much and move on. I'm going to put all the links below. Please subscribe to each other and have a great Easter, a great weekend. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now. Oh, I almost forgot the Game of Thrones. Okay, bye for now. Try to imagine it with da 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 da. Oh, sorry.